Welcome back to Twist Fashion, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be making a Percher hat, and I'm going to be using this foam block that I made. If you want to see how I made the foam block, then please check out the other video. I'll link it down below. I will cover this in this nice velvet fabric. It's also got stretch in it, so that helps. A hairband you will need, and some felt to cover the back, and also some wire. So first of all, we're going to start with covering the base, the block. Get your material, put the right side down, try and get it right in the center, and then we'll glue it like so, and you can cut off any excess material. Actually, I'm going to put in the wires, so I'm going to do them relatively central. This one you could try with glue, but actually it's actually sticking quite nicely, so I can't even take that out. So I've done it at a bit of an angle. Careful not to poke it through the actual form. And then you can always bend it back in so it's nearly the centre. Right, then I'm going to put some glue on the centre. And then you can work your way around and pulling the fabric tight over it. Almost like how you would block a hat. You could use pins and wait for it to dry, pins around here. Actually, I might do that. And then you pull it tighter and tighter to get rid of the creases. Hope you can see that. I'm just going to pull it nice and tight and pin it like a hat block. I think it needs a bit more glue on this corner. Hope you can see. Once you've stretched the fabric over your shape and glued it all down, I've cut a felt square to go at the back. I'm going to just round the corners just to make it look even nicer. And then measure it up to the first wire, so it's about there. So I'm going to cut it there. So that can stick there. That bit goes there, and then you're left the middle bit. there. In the middle bit. So all the ugly bits are hidden. So then glue that down. Hope you can see it properly. Measure where you want to have the thing against the hairband. So I've bent the wires where I want it to sit, and then wrap the wires around your hairband. Careful not to pull out your pull it out of the base. I'm just going to do it like that. Do the same to the other side. That feels quite secure. And then you're going to wrap the hairband in ribbon. Then you can also add some feathers. I was thinking of adding some feathers coming to the side. Stick them under the felt so the ends are also hidden. So once you've made sure it's nice and central and it's securely in place, you can start wrapping the hairband with ribbon. So I'm just going to use this thin black ribbon. First I'm going to start at the ends. It's almost like wrapping a bandage, if you've ever done that before. So secure the end underneath and then go tightly around. Keep adding a bit of glue as you go. Until you're doing the whole hairband. So this is the hairband fully covered in ribbon, and I've added some feathers which I've slotted underneath the felt and which is now properly glued down. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it very useful. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also leave any comments of hats you'd like me to make, or anything you'd like me to make for that matter. Yeah, and maybe leave in the comments what you thought of this make. Thanks very much. Bye.